Exercise 1. Creating objects, memberships, and properties. In this diagram, we see that we have a coal generator, gas generator 1, and gas generator 2. They're all connected to coal mine, node number 1. And we have another node which is called river and market, and node 3, load markets, where we have load with the hourly pattern. The task is to create objects, create these memberships, and map all generators, and locate the load at node number 3, input all the properties, and put the hourly pattern in the time slice field. You may pause the video and practice, and resume after you're done. So for exercise number 1, when you open PLEXOS, in order for us to create new generator, we can right click and hit new generator and name it. In this case, I have already created these generators for the exercise. And also we need to create new nodes, so we right click and new node. The other way to add a generator is to click on generators on the object tree, and then to the right, when we see objects inside the data grid, we double click on a new row, select generator, and we can name it generator 3. And when we hit enter and we go back to the generators on the object tree, we see now that we have a new generator added. In order for us to create memberships, there are 3 ways. So the first way is to drag and drop the generator into the collection, which is node number 1 in this case, and same for the rest of the generators. The second one is to, when we click on the generator, this is how we start the membership. To enter properties, we can click on the generator and go to the generator property tree, under production, and we can start entering all the required field for this generator. And same applies to the rest of the generators. The last thing is to add load. So in region, if you go to load, we can specify the time slice or the hourly pattern and the value corresponding to each of these files. Filtering display the input membership data. Use the membership and property trees as filters. For example, you can highlight the class or object. Second step is highlight the membership of interest. And the third is activate the membership tab. And we can see all the list of memberships available to the user. Takeaways. Objects can be created in the object tree pane, or they can be created in the object tab on the data grid pane. Memberships. We can create membership by using the drag and drop method. We can also define it in the membership tree pane. We can also define it in the membership tab on the data grid pane. Property values can be referenced in flat files with PLEXOS ready data file format. Configuration, static or dynamic. Highly recommended that we check all dynamic box in the bottom left hand corner of the config screen.